Across our planet, there exist environments so harsh and unforgiving that they seem utterly inhospitable to life. These places are defined by extreme toxicity, where conditions such as lethal chemicals, intense heat, or corrosive substances make survival appear impossible. Yet, against all odds, certain remarkable organisms have adapted to not just endure these hostile settings, but to flourish within them. Their unique strategies and resilience challenge our understanding of what life can withstand. Exploring these extraordinary survivors reveals the astonishing adaptability of nature. After the Chernobyl nuclear disaster, radiation levels forced humans to abandon the area, creating a vast exclusion zone. Surprisingly, this absence of human activity allowed many animal species to return and thrive. Wolves, deer, and wild boar have all been observed in greater numbers, adapting to the altered environment. Despite the presence of radiation, these animals have demonstrated remarkable resilience, with some even showing genetic changes that may help them cope with the challenging conditions. The region now serves as an unexpected sanctuary for wildlife, illustrating nature's capacity for recovery in the face of adversity. Wildlife in the Chernobyl exclusion zone has demonstrated remarkable biological adaptations in response to prolonged radiation exposure. Many animals have developed stronger DNA repair mechanisms, enabling them to fix genetic damage more efficiently. Additionally, increased production of antioxidants helps neutralize harmful free radicals generated by radiation. These adaptations have allowed certain species to survive and even thrive in an environment that would otherwise be inhospitable. Such changes offer valuable insights into the resilience of life under extreme conditions. The Chernobyl exclusion zone stands as a remarkable testament to nature's resilience. In the absence of human activity, plants and animals have reclaimed the land, adapting to the altered environment in unexpected ways. Scientists have observed species not only returning, but also exhibiting unique evolutionary changes in response to radiation. This living experiment reveals how ecosystems can recover and even thrive after catastrophic events, offering valuable insights into the adaptability of life. The zone continues to challenge our understanding of how nature responds to extreme adversity. The killifish is a remarkable species known for its ability to flourish in environments that would be lethal to most other forms of aquatic life. These small fish have adapted to survive in waters heavily polluted with industrial chemicals. Their resilience has made them a subject of scientific interest, as researchers seek to understand the genetic and physiological traits that enable such extraordinary tolerance. In habitats where pollution has driven out nearly all other species, the killifish continues to thrive, demonstrating nature's capacity for adaptation. Killifish have developed remarkable genetic mutations that enable them to survive in environments contaminated with toxic chemicals. These adaptations alter the way their bodies process and filter out harmful substances, allowing them to neutralize poisons that would typically be deadly to other fish. Scientists have identified changes in specific genes responsible for detoxification pathways, making killifish uniquely equipped to withstand polluted waters. This genetic resilience not only sets them apart from other species, but also provides valuable insights into evolutionary biology and environmental adaptation. Killifish have demonstrated remarkable resilience in environments heavily impacted by pollution. Unlike many other species that struggle to survive in contaminated waters, killifish have adapted to tolerate toxins that would otherwise be lethal. Through rapid genetic changes, they have developed mechanisms to detoxify harmful substances, allowing them to thrive where others cannot. This unique ability has enabled killifish populations to outcompete less adaptable species, transforming environmental adversity into a distinct evolutionary advantage. Now, let's turn our attention to the microscopic realm, where remarkable organisms thrive in conditions that would be deadly to most life forms. Among these are certain types of bacteria that have evolved to not only withstand toxic environments, but to actively feed on hazardous substances. These bacteria play a crucial role in breaking down pollutants, transforming dangerous chemicals into less harmful compounds. Their unique abilities have significant implications for environmental cleanup and pollution management. Through their natural processes, these microorganisms help restore balance to ecosystems impacted by human activity. Certain bacteria possess remarkable abilities to consume and break down hazardous substances such as oil spills, heavy metals, and even radioactive waste. Through specialized metabolic processes, these microorganisms transform dangerous pollutants into less harmful or even useful materials. This natural form of bioremediation not only helps clean up contaminated environments, but also turns deadly waste into valuable resources. Scientists continue to study and harness these bacteria, offering promising solutions for some of the world's most challenging pollution problems. These bacteria serve as nature's cleanup crew, performing a vital ecological function by breaking down harmful substances in the environment. Unlike conventional methods that often rely on physical removal or harsh chemicals, these microorganisms use specialized chemical processes to neutralize toxins. Through metabolic pathways, they can transform pollutants into harmless compounds, effectively detoxifying soil, water, and air. This natural approach not only restores ecological balance, but also minimizes the impact on surrounding ecosystems. Throughout history, life has demonstrated remarkable resilience and adaptability. Evolution equips organisms with the tools needed to survive and even thrive in environments once thought uninhabitable. From toxic sulfur vents to radioactive wastelands, living beings have found ways to flourish where few others can. This enduring capacity for adaptation highlights the extraordinary power of life to persist against all odds, continually reshaping the boundaries of what is possible. Earth is home to a remarkable variety of extreme environments, from scorching deserts and icy polar regions to deep ocean trenches and acidic hot springs. For many years, scientists believed these harsh places were devoid of life. However, research has revealed that even in the most inhospitable conditions, life finds a way to survive and thrive. These discoveries have challenged our understanding of the limits of life and opened new possibilities for where it might exist, both on our planet and beyond. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, hydrothermal vents mark places where the Earth's crust is fractured and dynamic. Through these cracks, superheated water rich in minerals and chemicals is expelled into the surrounding sea. The extreme conditions at these vents create a unique environment, supporting life forms that thrive without sunlight. These ecosystems rely on chemical energy rather than photosynthesis, making them some of the most extraordinary habitats on our planet. Hydrothermal vents are found deep beneath the ocean's surface, where the environment is both harsh and unforgiving. Temperatures here can soar above 300 degrees Celsius, hot enough to melt lead. The pressure is immense, hundreds of times greater than at sea level, enough to crush most organisms. In this perpetual darkness, sunlight never reaches, creating a world that is both alien and extreme. Despite these challenges, life has found remarkable ways to survive in these depths. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, hydrothermal vents create a harsh yet remarkable environment where unique life forms flourish. Among these are giant tube worms, which can grow several feet long and survive without traditional digestive systems. Instead, they rely on a symbiotic relationship with bacteria that convert vent chemicals into nutrients. These adaptations allow tube worms and other vent dwellers to thrive in conditions that would be inhospitable to most other life on Earth. Chemosynthesis is a remarkable process that allows certain bacteria to thrive in environments devoid of sunlight. Inside tube worms, these bacteria convert toxic chemicals, such as hydrogen sulfide found near hydrothermal vents, into usable energy. This transformation provides essential nutrients not only for the bacteria, but also for their tube worm hosts. Through chemosynthesis, life can flourish in some of the most extreme and lightless parts of the ocean, demonstrating nature's incredible adaptability. Deep beneath the ocean's surface, hydrothermal vents create a unique environment where life thrives without sunlight. Instead of relying on photosynthesis, these ecosystems are powered by chemical energy released from the Earth's crust. Microorganisms use toxic substances like hydrogen sulfide as fuel, converting them into usable energy through a process called chemosynthesis. This forms the foundation of a complex food web, where even the most unusual creatures depend on what would be considered poison elsewhere. The result is a remarkable community, demonstrating life's ability to adapt to extreme and seemingly inhospitable conditions. Now, let's turn our attention to the wood frog, a remarkable amphibian that has adapted to some of nature's harshest environments. Unlike most creatures, the wood frog can endure being frozen solid during winter months. Its body enters a state of suspended animation, allowing it to survive temperatures that would be lethal to other animals. This unique adaptation also enables the wood frog to withstand toxic conditions, making it a fascinating subject of scientific study. The wood frog possesses remarkable survival mechanisms that allow it to endure harsh winter conditions. It can tolerate extremely low oxygen levels, which would be fatal to most other animals. During freezing periods, the wood frog's body accumulates high levels of waste products, yet it remains unharmed by this buildup. Additionally, it withstands extreme physiological stress, including the freezing of up to 2/3 of its body water. These unique adaptations enable the wood frog to survive in environments where few other amphibians can. The wood frog possesses a remarkable survival strategy that sets it apart from most amphibians. When faced with freezing temperatures, this resilient creature can effectively pause its life functions. Its heart stops beating and it ceases to breathe, entering a state of suspended animation. While these conditions would be fatal for nearly all other amphibians, the wood frog endures, waiting for warmer weather to revive and continue its life cycle. Scorpions are remarkable creatures, perfectly adapted to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth. In deserts where temperatures can soar during the day and plummet at night, these resilient arachnids thrive. Water is scarce, yet scorpions have developed unique strategies to conserve moisture and endure long periods without drinking. Their ability to withstand extreme conditions makes them true masters of survival in the unforgiving desert landscape. Scorpions have developed remarkable physiological adaptations to survive in harsh environments. One key adaptation is their ability to retain water efficiently, which allows them to thrive in arid regions where moisture is scarce. Additionally, scorpions can slow down their metabolism during periods of food scarcity, enabling them to survive for months without eating. These adaptations not only help them conserve vital resources, but also make them resilient to extreme conditions that would challenge many other organisms. Scorpions are remarkable creatures, easily recognized by their distinctive pincers and curved tails. One of their most fascinating features is their ability to glow a vibrant blue-green under ultraviolet light, a phenomenon that continues to intrigue scientists. Adapted for life in harsh desert environments, scorpions possess specialized exoskeletons that help minimize water loss. Their nocturnal habits and efficient hunting techniques further enhance their survival in arid conditions. These unique adaptations make scorpions a striking example of nature's ingenuity. Antarctica is renowned for its relentless cold and harsh conditions, making it one of the most forbidding environments on the planet. Despite the freezing temperatures and powerful winds, a remarkable array of animals has adapted to survive here. Species like the emperor penguin, Weddell seal, and Antarctic krill have developed unique strategies to endure the icy landscape. Their resilience showcases the incredible adaptability of life even in the most extreme climates. Penguins and other Antarctic animals have developed remarkable adaptations to survive in their icy environment. Thick layers of fat, known as blubber, act as insulation, trapping body heat and preventing it from escaping into the cold air. Dense feathers provide an additional barrier, keeping warmth close to the skin and repelling water. Many species also rely on social behaviors, such as huddling together in large groups, to share body heat and reduce exposure to the harsh wind. These strategies work together to help these animals maintain their body temperature, even in the most extreme conditions. Antarctic fish have developed a truly remarkable adaptation to survive in some of the coldest waters on Earth. These fish produce special antifreeze proteins that circulate in their blood, preventing ice crystals from forming even when temperatures drop below the freezing point of water. This unique biological mechanism allows them to thrive in environments where most other species would not survive. By blocking the growth of ice within their bodies, these proteins ensure the fish remain active and healthy despite the extreme cold. The diversity of life on Earth is truly remarkable, with countless species adapting in unique ways to survive in environments once thought uninhabitable. From the icy depths of the oceans to the scorching deserts, organisms have evolved extraordinary features and behaviors. These adaptations not only ensure their survival, but also highlight the resilience and ingenuity of life itself. By exploring these extremes, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and interconnectedness of the natural world. Across the globe, animals have developed extraordinary adaptations that allow them to survive in some of the planet's most extreme environments. From the icy expanses of the Arctic to the scorching deserts, these creatures demonstrate remarkable resilience and ingenuity. Their unique survival strategies, honed over generations, enable them to find food, shelter, and safety where few others can. Exploring these adaptations reveals the incredible diversity and resourcefulness of life on Earth. Camels are remarkable animals, uniquely suited to thrive in harsh desert environments. Their bodies can withstand extreme dehydration, allowing them to survive for days without water. Specialized adaptations, such as the ability to conserve water and tolerate high body temperatures, help them endure the intense heat. Additionally, camels can rehydrate quickly, drinking large amounts of water in a short period when it becomes available. These features make camels essential for life in some of the world's driest regions. Camels possess remarkable adaptations that allow them to thrive in harsh desert environments. One of their most notable traits is the ability to consume large quantities of water in a short period, replenishing their reserves after long periods without drinking. Their humps serve as fat storage, providing energy when food is scarce rather than storing water as commonly believed. Additionally, camels have specialized oval-shaped red blood cells that remain functional even during severe dehydration, ensuring efficient circulation and oxygen delivery. These unique physiological features enable camels to endure extreme conditions that would challenge most other animals. Camels are remarkable animals, perfectly adapted to thrive in harsh desert environments. Their humps store fat, which can be converted into energy and water when resources are scarce. Thick eyelashes and closable nostrils protect them from blowing sand, while wide, padded feet prevent them from sinking into soft dunes. Camels can go for days without water, making them essential companions for desert travelers. These unique adaptations truly make camels nature's walking survival kits. Some snake species have developed remarkable adaptations that allow them to survive in environments filled with toxins and extreme conditions. For example, certain snakes possess specialized enzymes that neutralize venom or toxic chemicals found in their prey or habitat. Others have evolved resistance to the poisons of amphibians or even other snakes, enabling them to exploit food sources that would be deadly to most animals. These evolutionary changes not only help snakes avoid harm, but also give them a competitive edge in challenging ecosystems. Through these adaptations, snakes demonstrate the incredible power of evolution to shape life in even the harshest environments. Snakes possess remarkable resistance to various poisons, a trait that enables them to survive encounters with toxic prey or rivals. Their bodies have evolved specialized mechanisms to neutralize or tolerate venom that would be lethal to other animals. Additionally, snakes are known for their highly efficient metabolisms. This allows them to extract maximum energy from their food and endure long periods without eating. Such adaptations are crucial for survival in environments where meals can be scarce. Snakes are masters of energy conservation, a trait that is vital for their survival in challenging environments. By minimizing movement and relying on ambush tactics, they reduce the amount of energy they expend. This strategy allows them to endure long periods without food, which is especially important in habitats where prey is scarce. Their slow metabolism further supports this lifestyle, enabling them to survive in places where other animals might struggle. Ultimately, these adaptations give snakes a unique advantage in some of the world's harshest ecosystems. Beneath the ocean's surface lies a world shrouded in darkness, where sunlight cannot penetrate and the water pressure is crushing. This deep ocean environment is among the most extreme on our planet, challenging the survival of even the hardiest life forms. Temperatures are near freezing, and the landscape is shaped by towering underwater mountains and vast trenches. Despite these harsh conditions, a remarkable array of creatures has adapted to thrive in this mysterious realm. Deep-sea creatures inhabit one of the most extreme environments on Earth, where food is scarce, temperatures are near freezing, and the pressure is immense. To survive with limited food, many species have adapted slow metabolisms and can go long periods without eating. Their bodies are specially designed to withstand crushing pressures, often lacking air-filled spaces that would collapse under such force. Additionally, these animals have developed unique ways to cope with the cold, such as anti-freeze proteins or insulating layers. Together, these adaptations enable them to thrive in the darkness of the ocean's depths. Deep-sea creatures have developed remarkable adaptations to survive in the perpetual darkness of their environment. Bioluminescence, the ability to produce light, helps these organisms attract prey, communicate, or evade predators. Many species also possess slow metabolisms, allowing them to conserve energy in a habitat where food is scarce. These unique traits enable deep-sea life to thrive under extreme conditions that would be inhospitable to most other forms of life. Deep-sea ecosystems possess an otherworldly quality, often resembling alien landscapes more than familiar ocean environments. In these extreme depths, sunlight never penetrates, and the pressure is immense, creating conditions unlike anywhere else on Earth. Life forms here have adapted in remarkable ways, with bioluminescent bodies, elongated limbs, and unusual feeding strategies. Many species remain undiscovered, and those we have observed challenge our understanding of biology. The deep sea continues to intrigue scientists, offering a glimpse into the extraordinary diversity of life beneath the waves. How do certain animals manage to survive in environments where others fail? This question lies at the heart of understanding adaptation and resilience in the natural world. From extreme deserts to icy tundras, some species have developed remarkable strategies to endure harsh conditions. Exploring these survival mechanisms reveals the incredible diversity and ingenuity of life on Earth. Adaptation plays a crucial role in helping organisms survive in extreme environments. Over time, gradual evolutionary changes allow species to develop traits that enhance their ability to cope with harsh conditions, such as extreme temperatures, high salinity, or limited resources. These adaptations can include physical modifications, behavioral shifts, or physiological changes that improve survival and reproduction. Through the process of natural selection, only those individuals best suited to their environment are likely to thrive and pass on their advantageous traits to future generations. This ongoing process ensures that life can persist even in the most challenging habitats on Earth. Traits that help organisms survive in challenging environments are more likely to be passed on to future generations. Over time, individuals with these advantageous traits reproduce more successfully, gradually shaping the species to thrive under those specific conditions. As this process continues, the species may evolve to not just withstand, but actually depend on these extreme environments for survival. This reliance can become so pronounced that the species may struggle or fail to survive if removed from the conditions they have adapted to. In this way, natural selection transforms mere tolerance into a vital dependence on extreme habitats. Life's remarkable ability to adapt and evolve allows it to thrive in even the harshest environments. Over time, organisms find ways to survive, transforming toxic landscapes into habitats they can call home. This resilience is a testament to the enduring power of nature. It reminds us that, no matter the challenge, life continually finds a way forward. If you found this content interesting, consider showing your support by liking and subscribing. Your feedback is valuable, so feel free to share your thoughts on which extreme environment you find the most fascinating. Whether it's the crushing depths of the ocean or the freezing expanse of Antarctica, let us know your perspective. Engaging with the discussion helps us bring you more content tailored to your interests.